All right, guys, thank you so much for joining back again. And I have started the recording, so all of you can benefit from it later, even those who are not in the session. So what we were discussing. Normally, you think that active and passive sentences you have to study tense by tense, but we are not going to do that because I am going to teach you. All right. I hope that my voice is clear. All right, because whenever one is writing that my voice is not clear, I check my and test my microphones and it says all perfect. So, all right, clear. All right, it is clear. It is clear. Thank you. Maybe there is a problem your side. Fine. So let's begin. We were talking about the structure of how to change active voice into passive voice. So active voice का simple formula होता है subject verb and object. But in passive voice, what happens कि हम places को replace कर देते हैं. Subject comes in the beginning, like orange juice. One more important thing that I wanted you to remember कि आपका जो भी helping verb होगा, you will write the helping verb is, am, are, or have या has या was या were. आप जो भी डिसीजन लेंगे वो आप ऑब्जेक्ट को देख कर लेंगे, सब्जेक्ट को देख कर नहीं लेंगे, ठीक है. सो इफ इन द बिगनिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट इज सिंगुलर, सो इट विल बी फॉलोड बाय अ सिंगुलर वर्ड. क्लियर. तो ऑरेंज जूस के साथ क्या आ जाएगा, इज आ जाएगा. I will share the PowerPoint presentation. I will share the book that I am using for, the exercises. So don't worry. Okay, I will do that. Don't worry. All right. Acha, another thing. This being is something that you would be thinking that out of a sudden, where has it come from? क्योंकि being यहाँ कहाँ से आया? देखिए, each tense that we change from active to passive voice, it follows a structure. अब उस structure में क्या होता है कि there are few things that are constant and few things that are permanent. All right? आप किसी भी टेंस को और मॉडल वर्ड के एक्टिव वॉइस को जब आप पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज करेंगे बेटा, one thing is sure that object should always come in the beginning of the sentence. ठीक है. So this is something जो tense by tense change नहीं होगी. It will remain the same. Second thing is that we always use third form of the word in all passive voice. If you are changing simple present passive active voice into passive voice, past simple, continuous, perfect, whatever the tense, and even the modal voice, if you are changing those sentences into passive voice, we always use third form of the word, which is called past participle. उसके बाद हम यूज करते हैं by. All right, this by is basically called an agent. For example, I respect everyone. All right, and if I change this into passive voice, everyone is respected by. So this by is called an agent. And then the last thing after by, you are going to write the objective pronoun. अच्छा, यहाँ पर मैंने अक्सर आपको यहाँ सब्जेक्ट लिखा हुआ नजर आएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आप करें कि सब्जेक्ट एज इट इज नहीं आएगा. I respect everyone. So everyone is respected by I नहीं हो सकता. All right, by he नहीं हो सकता, by they नहीं हो सकता. We have to change them. The subject will be changed into objective pronoun. By me, by him, by them, by her. Clear? So the only thing that is changing is helping word. पैसिव वॉइस में सिर्फ एक ही चीज चेंज होती है तमाम टेंसेस के अंदर, दैट इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. और अगर आपको उस हेल्पिंग वर्ब की लिस्ट समझ में आ गई तो आपको ऑल टेंसेस के पैसिव वॉइस समझ में आ जाएंगे, आपको अलग से पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. क्लियर. एंड देन वी विल डू सम प्रैक्टिस. आई विल अरेंज सम क्लासेस फॉर यू इन द इवनिंग. उसमें भी मैं आपको कुछ और भी प्रैक्टिस करवाऊंगी. सो let's get started in the next slide. अब जो मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, and I have used this method of teaching at all levels, grade 9, grade 10, grade 8, and it really works. Students find this method very easy. उसकी reason ये है कि sometimes it is very difficult कि आप एक एक tense को अलग पढ़ते हैं, and there is only one thing changing, that is helping word. All right, so let's have a look at this chart. अब ये जो helping verb का chart है, ये आपको ये बताता है कि आपका स्ट्रक्चर सेम रहेगा तमाम टेंसेस में. ऑब्जेक्ट फर्स्ट, वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म फर्स्ट, बाय और एजेंट बाय और सब्जेक्ट इन द एंड. ये दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी फॉलो इन ऑल पैसिव वॉइस, ऑल टेंसेस. ऑलराइट, बट व्हाट इज चेंजिंग? सिर्फ एक चीज चेंज हो रही है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. हेल्पिंग वर्ब कैसे चेंज होते हैं? इफ यू हैव अ प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस, like for example, the farmers grow vegetables. Clear? मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. farmers grow vegetable. If this is a sentence, so grow is the first form of the verb. All right. So अगर ये present indefinite है और first form of verb उसके साथ है, present simple है, so when we change this into passive voice, हम उसमें is mr का इजाफा कर लेंगे. All right. Like the farmer grows vegetables. So vegetables are grown by the farmer. Clear? Past indefinite में क्या होगा? If it is the second form, all right. For example, the farmer grew the vegetables. Grew the vegetables. All right. So this is the second form. So when we change this into passive voice, what we are going to do, हम object vegetables को पहले ले आएंगे. The vegetables, अब इसमें R नहीं आएगा क्योंकि you see active voice में second form है, तो उसके साथ was आएगा या were आएगा. So vegetables के साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? Were लगाएंगे. ठीक है. The vegetables were grown. Third form same रहेगी. By the farmer same रहेगा. No change. Future indefinite. Definitely active voice में already will and shall होता है. Future indefinite में, future simple में, the farmer will grow vegetables. So now when will already is there, helping verb is already there. So उसको passive voice में change करने के लिए what we are going to do, we will add be with it. Okay. So will definitely come because will is something that is telling us about the time, that is telling it about the future time कि ये तो future की बात हो रही है. All right. So if the sentence says the farmer will grow vegetables, all right, Rehan, I will try to slow down my speech. Okay. So in future tense, if the sentence is the farmer will grow the vegetables. So because in active sentence, will is already there. So when we change this into passive voice, how will we change? The farmer, the vegetables will be grown. So one thing you have to add in future tense, that is be. And third form, of course, grown by the farmer. Present continuous. In present continuous, we already have is mr in the active sentence. तो हम present continuous में और past continuous में एक इजाफा करते हैं और ये इजाफा होता है being, being, being. For example, she is making tea. So when we change this into passive voice, what will we do? The tea is being, because she is making tea already is मौजूद था active voice में. This was present continuous tense. तो जब हम उसको change करेंगे, because it already had ismr, तो हम उसके साथ एक इजाफा कर देंगे helping verb का, that is being. दोनों continuous tenses के साथ, present continuous tense के साथ भी और past continuous tense के साथ भी. Present continuous में हो जाएगा is being, are being, am being, और past continuous में was being and were being. All right. I will show you the example. Yes, this is in the next, in the next slide. I will show you the examples in the next slide with each of these tenses. So don't worry about it. Now, if we have the present perfect tense, all right. So you know already, guys, that in present perfect tense we already have has and have. So when we have already has and have, so when we change this into passive voice, हम उसमें been का इजाफा करते हैं, BEEN, in both present perfect and past perfect में, और future perfect में भी, because in future perfect we have will have, उसके साथ हम लगा देंगे been. All right. So will have been, had been, has been. The new house has been bought by my uncle, had been bought by my uncle, will have been bought by my uncle. All right. And then when we have modal verbs, can, could, may, might, उन सब के बाद भी be लगेगा. For example, it can be done, it must be done, it would be done, something like that. Okay. In the next slide, these are the examples. Look at this. This is the best slide for all of you to understand, because it has the name of the tense, active example and the passive example, and you will see that how the the whole structure is the similar. The object comes first, then the third form of the verb is used, by, and subject goes in the end. But only one thing is changing, इसके helping verbs सिर्फ change हो रहे हैं. ठीक है. Like present simple, I play football. So football is object. Football के साथ क्या आएगा? Is mr वैसे is आएगा because football is singular. All right. Football is played by me. Okay, just wait, हम इसको करते हैं. And then present continuous, he is buying a sports bike. This is present continuous. So what is the object? A sports bike. A sports bike is being. Why we are using being being here? Because active में already is मौजूद है. If is mr is already present in the tense in the active sentence and this is actually present continuous sentence, तो हम उसके साथ being लगाएंगे being being. What is the present perfect? She I think this is not the present perfect. This is the past simple. अच्छा ये थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गया है, ठीक है. The first one is past simple. She took his bike key. All right. So his bike key was taken by her. This is past simple. Took is the second form of the word. He has driven a bike. All right. This is present perfect. He has driven a bike. This is present perfect. So as I said, के has and have के साथ हम been लगा देते हैं. A bike has been driven by him. This is past continuous. I was singing a song. So a song was being, B-E-I-N-G, being. This is wrong. Sung by me. Clear? John hadn't come with Robin. Okay. Robin hadn't been come with John. Okay. Future simple. He will write a book. A book will be written by him. And future perfect. Andrew will have called his son. His son will have been called by Andrew. So what we are doing, we are following the same structure. I should go to the market. अच्छा, the last sentence is wrong because हम go के साथ ये नहीं लगाते हैं. This is incorrect because go is the intransitive verb. All right. Like model verb, I can example. You should respect your parents. Your parents should be respected by you. This can be an appropriate example. All right. So now just let me stop screen share. Okay. Somebody has asked about the double object case. If we have two objects, so I am going to show you. Let's do one exercise very quickly. And then I will show you a video as well. Okay, so double object case is here. Okay, where is the double object case? Wait a minute. Okay, who has written this? Okay, Rajab Ali is saying we shall follow you in the class. All right, so you shall be followed in the class by us. You will be followed, all right, or you shall be followed. This is future simple. This is a very simple sentence. This is a future simple sentence. All right. Okay. Wait a minute. I am going to show you the double object one. Okay. We have. We have double objects, so let me find one example so that you can understand. Let me give you a very quick overview of it as well. Just okay. Now, look at this. Be done. All right. This is if you have a sentence with like look at somebody will clean this room later. All right. Somebody will clean this room later. So this room will be cleaned later. It is a future tense. तो उसके साथ be. अब जो be के साथ हम passive voice बनाते हैं. This is and these are the few examples. look at this perfect infinitive, like you should have cleaned the room. So the room should have been cleaned. We would follow you in the class. All right. Okay, so you would be followed. You would be followed. Would के साथ भी be आएगा because would is also a model verb, right? May, might, must, can, could. इन सब के साथ हम क्या लगाएंगे? What will we use? Be. सब के साथ be लगेगा. All right. This is the present perfect tense. Wait a minute. Okay. This is the present perfect tense. Active. He has or she has done something. Like, have you heard? The trip has been cancelled. The trip has been cancelled is the passive voice. This room looks nice. Somebody has cleaned it. All right. This room looks nice. It has been cleaned. So has been, have been. These are the examples of perfect tense. The vegetables didn't taste good. They had been cooked too long. Had been. This is the past perfect. I gave you some examples of the present perfect tense. Look at this present continuous. Is are. All right. In active, is are plus ing form. And in passive voice, is are plus being. And then the verb third form. Somebody is cleaning the room at the moment. Or the room is being cleaned at the moment. Okay. I was finding one double object example. Yes, here it is. I got the right example to show you how to change WH sentences. Oh, yes. WH sentences we will do in the next class that I will arrange in the evening. All right. Because it will be too much for you to absorb in today's session. This is the example of two objects. Everyone, I think this question was asked by, okay, all right, fine. Some verbs can have two objects. For example, if you have two objects in a sentence, so you can change that sentence with both the objects. आप दोनों को लेकर उसकी passive voice बना सकते हैं. Okay, object one and object two. This is the example. My grandfather gave me this watch. My grandfather gave me this watch. So this me is object one and this watch is object two. All right. So it is possible to make two passive sentences. The first one, let's take first object, let's make a sentence with first object, me. So, okay, me का subjective क्या होगा? I, all right. So, आपने I यहाँ लिखा. Gave is the second form of the word. It means this is past tense. So, in past tense, we need, these are infinitive. Open the door, let the door be opened. Let the door be opened, all right. So, उसमें let आ जाएगा. And these are हम step by step चल रहे हैं. Let's talk about first the positive sentences, affirmative sentences, okay, and then we will talk about the questions. We will talk about the infinitive sentences. So open the door is infinitive sentence. Bring a glass, okay. Polish my shoes. These are infinitive sentences. और उसमें हम let लगाते हैं. All right. Let the door be opened. Let the glass be brought. All right. Let the papers be thrown. Fine. Okay. Students are entering. Now, as I said that my grandfather gave me this watch, this sentence is in past tense. Number one, it is past tense. Number two, it has two objects. So what we have done, just excuse me, I just have to. Right, okay. Some people were shoot down. Shoot down is not right. Should ये sentence मुझे थोड़ा सा problematic लग रहा है. Shot down हो सकता है. Shot down. Shot down. Right. This is a very simple sentence. ये past है. Yes. This is past simple. What's difficult in it? ये तो present past simple का passive voice है. all right, that somebody shot two people were shot down. So there's nothing different in it. We are learning the same thing now. So when we take the first object, that is me, so me will be changed into I because the sentence cannot begin with me. All right, we can always start a sentence with I. It is simple past, so उसके साथ हम was लगाएंगे. All right, I was. We always use the third form of the verb in passive voice, as I stated earlier. That in all passive voice, we always need the third form of the verb. So no other form of the verb should be used. So I was given, and then the other object will come as it is. Okay. So एक object जो आपने use किया है that you have brought in the beginning of the sentence, the other object you will write as it is. So I was given this watch by my grandfather. Or the other way, if you are going to bring the second object in the beginning, which is the watch, all right, or this watch. So this watch was given. Again, the verb will remain the same. To me. अच्छा, what happens कि जब आप ऐसा object लेते हैं, like when you take the direct object that is a thing in the beginning of the sentence, और जब उसको connect करते हैं to the personal pronoun, किसी भी personal pronoun से connect करते हैं, so you have to connect it with a preposition that is to. All right, you can't say this watch was given me. No, it was given to me, all right, by my grandfather. So it is possible to change the passive voice using both the objects in a sentence. All right. Okay, now let me see if you have any queries in the chat box. Then we are going to do an exercise and I will also show you a video. Okay, Acha, a play is not word here is gerund. Then playing cricket is wanted by Hassan. All right. Acha, I think ये कोई आपका is there any relevance to the passive voice what you are writing? Usman and Raychan, what you are writing in the chat box, is there any relevance with the topic? Because I can't understand what you are writing. Is there any question? Playing cricket, okay. All right. अच्छा, linguistics को हम discuss करेंगे Saturday को. Guys, Saturday को 10 o'clock I will take your class. Okay. So linguistics, all right. Please note that introduction to linguistics की जो class होगी, वो होगी on Saturday. ठीक है. All right. Double verb. What is he saying? Hassan wants to play. All right. Like Hassan wants to play cricket. All right. Yes, we can do it, but like it can be done. The first word, cricket is the object, all right. The first word, you have the main verb that is want. Remember, आपका जो main verb है वो want है. To play basically is not a verb. It is to infinitive, all right. अच्छा, to infinitive जो होते हैं, they are followed. We follow them in the sentence when we want to mention some the purpose of an action. All right. For example, I'm really working hard for what? I'm really working hard for, I'm really working hard to get admission, in medical college. So to get, all right. So आपका जो main focus होगा, yes, it will be on Saturday. It will be 10 a.m. in the morning. All right. So the one who posted the question in the chat box, Hassan wants to play cricket. All right. So आपका जो main verb है, that is want. To play is infinitive. So we will follow the same, and to play as an object आप as it is लिख देंगे उसके अंदर. Clear? Okay. So I will conduct your active and passive voice sessions. How to change the imperative sentences and questions into passive voice in the evening in the coming week. Maybe tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow. हम evening में classes conduct करेंगे before Saturday. All right. So let's have a test. Okay. And very quickly, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check your understanding, and even if you are little bit, if you make any mistakes, that is perfectly fine, because it will be an assessment, that whether you have learned it or not, because at higher education level, या evening पे Rajab, their classes will be evening. At higher education level, you know, we can't just go very tense by tense, because I know that your comprehension level is higher, so you will be able to understand everything, you know, at the same time. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to unmute any one of you. Just raise your hand if you would like to answer. Okay, this is a kind of an assessment. आप जब जो भी, you know, what you need to do, you will tell me a number. You will tell me a number, then I will open that box, okay? And you will have to change that sentence into passive voice. और आपको नहीं आ रहा होगा तो हम उसको डिस्कस करेंगे, and it will be a great learning for everyone, all right? So those who are raising the hand, fine. All right, so Rehan Ali, I would like to ask you to unmute and tell me the number. Okay, has Rehan done this? No. Kushal, okay, you do it because you have raised the hand.
Yes, ma'am.
What number?
5.
Number 5.
Yes.
Okay. Will they publish her new book next month? Okay. Now, let's change this. They will publish her new book next month. Okay. Change this into passive voice. They will publish her new book next month. Okay. Here are two objects, her and new book. You can pick any one of these two objects and change the sentence into passive voice. Try करें, and others can write in the chat box. You can try. You can try. Khushal, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
अच्छा,
Yes.
बेटा मुझे ये बताएं, आप कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट पिक करना चाह रहे हैं, हर या न्यू बुक? लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर, ठीक है? लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. Which object would you like to pick for to change this into passive voice? हर लेना चाह रहे हैं या बुक, न्यू बुक लेना चाह रहे हैं?
मैम दोनों ही आएंगे ना?
नहीं नहीं, आप सेंटेंस किससे स्टार्ट करना चाह रहे हो?
मैम हर से.
हर से. ऑलराइट, तो हर से सेंटेंस तो स्टार्ट नहीं होगा, तो हर का सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन क्या है, ही है या शी है? शी. ऑलराइट, तो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट आ गया शी. ऑलराइट, अच्छा, शी के बाद क्या आएगा?
न्यू बुक.
ओके, नो, वी नीड अ वर्ब, ऑलराइट, हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बिकॉज विल तो आएगा ही आएगा. ओके ओके, हर न्यू बुक, सही, हाँ, हर न्यू बुक. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, दे विल पब्लिश हर न्यू बुक. आई एम सो सॉरी, इट हैज ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्ट, आई एम सो सॉरी. ओके, इट हैज ओनली वन ऑब्जेक्ट, हर न्यू बुक. आप सही जा रहे हो खुशहाल. हर न्यू बुक के बाद क्या आएगा?
पब्लिश्ड और विल पब्लिश्ड.
विल पब्लिश. अच्छा, विल पब्लिश होगा या विल बी पब्लिश्ड होगा?
मैम विल बी पब्लिश्ड.
विल बी पब्लिश्ड होगा, ठीक है, बिकॉज इट विल इज ऑलरेडी इन द सेंटेंस, तो पैसिव वॉइस बनाते वक्त आप बी लगाएंगे. हर न्यू बुक विल बी पब्लिश्ड, ओके, बाय द नेक्स्ट मंथ. ओके, बाय देम, दे किसमें चेंज हो जाएगा? देम. ऑलराइट, गुड ट्राई, थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क, ऑलराइट, I would like to unmute Rajab Ali. Rajab Ali, please unmute yourself. Rajab, unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rajab. What number would you like me to open for you?
Ma'am, 3.
Number 3. Chale, let's see what sentence is in it. Okay. Someone was building the wall when I was there. Okay. So your main sentence is someone was building the wall when I was there. ये आप change नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? आपका जो main sentence है that you need to change is someone was building the wall. Yes.
The wall was being built by someone.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Good job. I appreciate that. The wall was being, B-E-I-N-G. You rightly picked that. I appreciate that because this is past continuous. All right. I appreciate.
Thank you.
Nice. Please mute yourself now. Now, Usman has raised the hand. So, Usman, I would like to ask you to unmute. Okay. Pick one.
15, ma'am.
Number 15, 1 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, they are going to open. Acha, here going to जो है, going to is is a structural verb, right? जैसे modal verbs होते हैं ना, so they are going to, तो उसके साथ भी हम be लगाते हैं, then verb third form. Clear? जैसे for example they are going to को आप replace करते हैं can से, so can be, may be, must be, have to be, right? So they are going to open a new supermarket next week. सबसे पहले आप identify करें इसमें object क्या है.
A new market, supermarket.
Yes, a new supermarket. अच्छा, new supermarket is singular, तो उसके साथ is आएगा या are आएगा?
Is.
Okay, so new supermarket is. अच्छा, is going to क्योंकि एक structure है, तो going to तो रहेगा ही रहेगा, ठीक है? और after going to हम क्या लगाएंगे?
Open.
Okay, is going to के बाद हम लगाएंगे be. All right, is going to
Is going
be. Is going to
to be
or open.
opened by them next week.
By them. Okay, good job. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. I appreciate that
Thank you.
you are participating, because what happens that this is not the test, this is just a discussion and everybody will learn from this. All right. Do we have any more participants who are interested to participate? And if you can just raise your hands. Achha, I want to unmute now Shazmeen. Shazmeen, you are requested to unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay, Shazmeen, can you please tell me the number that you would want me to open for you?
Number 8.
Number 8. Okay. When did she? Acha, no, because I haven't taught you this question wala thing. So आप कोई और number बताएं.
Ma'am, 9.
Chala, number 9. Okay. Someone has just found her. Yes, this is what we have just studied. Yes. Someone has just found her. So what is the object here?
Her.
Her. All right. So her को आपने पहले लाना है, तो her तो obviously नहीं आएगा. उसका subjective pronoun क्या है?
Found. No.
She. ठीक है? She. All right. So then she के साथ has आएगा या have आएगा?
She has.
She has. All right. अच्छा, when we already have has and have in the sentence, तो passive voice में हम क्या लगाते हैं? कौन सा helping verb लगाते हैं?
She has been.
Been. Exactly. She has been.
She has been found.
Found. Okay. She has been found by someone. She has been found by someone. Thank you so much, Shazmeen, for your participation. Great job. All right. So I think that we are going out of time. We hardly have 1 minute remaining. Okay, so I'm going to stop share. Fine. So now let's have a very quick recap of today's session. All right. हम जल्दी से उसको recap करते हैं. आज हमने जितनी सारी चीजें discuss की हैं. सबसे पहले we all have agreed that I will conduct your few classes in the evening at 6 o'clock. But one day